That'd be hilarious if you left a shirt here. That's the whole reason why you came here. Alright guys, so today's a big day. We're gonna go over to Eddie's shop to get the 6.0 put on the RST. My good buddy Amin helped me load up the 480E to the back of the truck along with the torque converter and stuff. America's Tire was nice enough to give us the tire to put it on. So I just went over, asked them for one, they gave it to me. Loaded it up, did a really bad job of tying everything up because I never went to the Boy Scouts. My parents were poor back then. And yeah, big shout out to Amin June for helping us out. And yeah, now we're gonna load up the headers, join that big box right there, and we're gonna head up to Eddie's shop. Alright guys, you can see there's a Pro Charger, stock RST brakes, Amin, and there's the box. Headers are all loaded up. Today I'm filming with my camcorder, not the iPhone, because we're gonna be doing some nighttime filming at the shop, because you know it's already like 4:30, so it's gonna get dark pretty soon, so let's head out. I need to get the charger for the camera too, just in case. Alright guys, last time driving with a 4.8, long time coming. Let's head out. Alright guys, so it looks like we're here. I just don't know which one it is, so we'll see if we can find it. Alright, I found it. It's supposedly right here in the back. So, see our old YouTube project truck. Oh, it's right there. We have arrived. Alright guys, so we're here. Already kind of lowered the white truck already, and take a look at the 4.8 one more time. When I did the swap video, which wasn't very detailed because I lost most of my footage last time, you guys asked what you need to do to swap a 4.8 to a 6.0. The answer is nothing. Maybe switch a couple sensors and you're good. Everything bolts up. So you know, here's the old truck. I know you guys miss it. The slammed RST plates. So yeah, we're here at Eddie's shop. Corvette's still not ready, not surprisingly. There's a boy Eddie Baller. Follow him on Instagram. It's not Eddie Baller for nothing. He's like actually a baller.
Don't forget our free silver gift box.
And here's the 6.0. He's putting in work. This dude's fast. And there's the drag slicks for his Corvette. We're gonna be riding in soon, hopefully, when it's done, if it ever gets done.
Ever?
Got a 54 LSX C6 Corvette with a blower of some sort.
What's that?
Thought it was a secret, dude.
Nah.
But nah, everybody's gonna know how things fast. Yeah, everything's here. Got the corridos playing out back. Love the way the wrap came out on this. Here's the interior I did. Pretty nice build. I'm sure he's enjoying it. Oh, I know, I really enjoyed it the first night he had it. But yeah, we'll keep going as he keeps working on this and I can like help, I guess. I hear a little girl come in.
He's gonna hit that speed bump right there.
Who's this? Whom's is this? Oh look, it's baby Josh. Oh yeah! You can't make that speed bump? You're not gonna make it, dude. Got Eddie over there, gonna help out. Thankfully I don't open it with like me right there.
Oh, you got it with the camera too?
You savage. Alright guys, it's all ready to go. I just finished taking off the injector little harness thing. Well, the harness is taken off.
Half of it.
Half of it, well I guess that side. And then, yeah, we took off that thing and everything's off. Just gotta unbolt the motor mounts and pull it out.
They're already unbolted too.
Is your pull-out game strong, Eddie?
Hell yeah.
Awesome.
Always.
Always.
That's why I have no kids.
I don't pull out. Never pull out. Look at this man.
You stay in.
Have you ever pulled out, Josh?
Never.
How many kids you got?
I don't know, probably like 10.
You should go. Probably 10. None that I know.
Nothing I do. I got none that I know.
Oh man, about to work on that little baby over there.
No, we're not.
What do you mean? No, we're not.
Don't lie to yourself.
Don't play yourself. Nice. But yeah, as you guys can see, everything will bolt up. We'll just go from one truck to the other. Alright guys, so we got a little hole over here. We need to plug it up so he doesn't have an exhaust leak anymore. So he's checking over here my Speed Engineering headers. See if it has one. Are we successful, Josh?
Yes, sir.
Oh, nice.
It's gonna work.
Right there. So Speed Engineering on their white pipe, they put a little bung. And obviously it has a bolt on it for an O2 sensor for your air to fuel ratio gauge. Usually none of you guys would need that unless you're boosted and put a gauge in there. I already have a gauge on there and it's functional, so I'm actually going to need to plug in the O2 sensor to that. So I don't even think I'm going to need it. So
I'm good. So I don't need to pay you back for this.
I mean, you should bring it anyways in case we need it tomorrow. But yeah, we'll be chilling. There's a gauge right there. Little baby AEM. And yeah.
What headers are these?
These are JBA Shorty headers that come with stock with the RST.
We're gonna give these to Edward?
Yeah. I'm gonna keep the intake though. Put it on this, and once I put the Pro Charger and put in the Denali.
Nice.
Get some horsepowers.
Well, at least I got a part from Ray in my car now.
Yeah, dude.
What's race spec built?
You're not gonna make it into third. You're not gonna make it into third gear anymore.
It's race spec built. How much power am I gonna gain with this bolt?
About 10.
Negative. About 10? Negative.
Alright, everything's off. Motor's coming out. Ready to go. I almost killed Josh.
Oh my god. I thought you loved me, bro.
I do.
He's like, oh, do I let it down all the way? All the way.
I let it down the motor, like all the way down, like hit your chest in the middle.
It went right in the middle of my tits, bro. God damn.
Put it back. Oh, damn it. You're short. You got it. You got it right? Hold on. Josh. Good? Alright, do it. Anything in there? You're good. You're good. You're not missing. Go. Good. Just in the way. Yeah. Your tripod. Your tripod.
Goddamn tripod.
Oh, no. He's like, which one? Josh.
We got Eddie Baller over here, gonna pull in the truck. Motorless white truck now. Oh look, I need to charge the camera. How? It was like at 90%. Whatever. I'll just charge it again. No, not a big deal. It's gonna sound good with the long tubes.